What's up, everyone? We back. We back. Back in the flesh. Just like, somebody intended. I just got a call from a friend. Just a minute. Uh, this guy has been calling me for a while. Back, back. If you are wondering what happened, why is the camera weird? It's because of the sunlight, the light to the sun. I sorry, for 30 minutes. So we're starting with parachute. That's what I remember yesterday. No, oh wait. Before I ask that, v2 minus v1. Or did I get something wrong? Got about 2 hours before class. Okay. You are mixing two different things, formulas for acceleration and formula for displacement. Nothing is wrong with the calculation you wrote. Here's a clean separation. V2 minus V1 is used. The term belongs to acceleration, not displacement. Constant acceleration. Velocity is changing, not how far the parachutist falls. What? So you try to calculate the average velocity. Find the total height. Mika- Mik- Mikhailash Mikhailash Hikifirmash Mansya. Yo, bro. Hey, yo, what's up? Appreciate you for checking out the stream. You're the fixture, right? If I remember it correctly, you are fellow fixture writers. Yep. Hell yeah. So how you doing, bro? How are things going? Because in this phase, gravity is already included implicitly. You do not add it again. Where? What? What? Where did you calculate gravity? When would you explicitly include G? Only when you're doing a force analysis. Works directly with kinematics. What? 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 Uh, can you also mention why the G is the gravitational acceleration is not the used common equations. What? Am I that stupid? Might be. Might be. Three phases of motion. Downwards taken as positive. Starts from 0 to t to 10 seconds. Starts from rest, okay? Non-uniform linear motion. Constant acceleration reaches terminal velocity 10 t 15 seconds. Velocity decreases linearly from v1 equals 75, v2 equals 5 meter per second. Wait. So in 10 seconds, uh, the jumper has a velocity of 75 meter per second. How did he get that though? Gravity. Phase 3, t less than 15 seconds. For t less than or equal to 15 seconds, a uniform linear motion with constant velocity v2 until reaches the ground. Total fall time 75 seconds. Did it mention somewhere? What? Total fall time is 15. 10 plus 15 plus 15? No. Mr. Devil 303 Undertale. Did you just type Undertale just because it's in the... Oh. Interesting name for the channel. Did you just type the name Undertale just because you saw that in the title, or... I mean, I could play Undertale for 15 minutes, but the criteria is there should be an engaging viewer. Are you up for the task, Mr. Devil? And I apologize for the latency. There's about 20 seconds delay. Oh, okay. You're still here. That's good. What does it mean? I'm guessing you're asking about the Undertale on the title. It means I will play the game for 15 minutes. If there is someone who is engaging, who's gonna be in the stream, cause that's fun. Oh, then you will play. Yeah. Have you ever played the game? I have a test too. Okay. Like test examination in school? If you have a test, I don't think you should be playing video games, right? Or watching someone play video games. I'm just saying. It's been a while since I opened Steam. Do we got some games in offer? Lens Island, okay. Battle of Polytopia. Desperados. Slay the... Hmm. Just a minute. What's this game? Okay. Nope, I'm all GOG. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean all GOG? What do you mean by that, boy? What do you mean by that, bro? Okay, how do I change it? How do I make my screen come up? It's there. Is it visible? Yeah, it is. Undertale. Last time, I believe I beat the boss. I beat the boss. It was a spider boss. And right now I am trapped. Oh, bro, what happened to my headphone? Please clean. This is set time for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, let's fucking go! Don't worry about the lights, okay? My windows are behind and the sunlight is coming this way. Okay, come on. Continue. I believe Sans was outside. Hey, I heard you're going to the car. How about grabbing some dinner with me first? Is it free though? Great, thanks for treating me. Over here, I know a shortcut. Oh. Well, here we are. So, your journey's almost over, huh? You must really want to go home. Hey, I know the feeling, Butto. Butto. It went from learning to Undertale so fast. That's how it is. Though, maybe sometimes it's better to take what's given to you. Down here, you have already got food, drink, friends. Lol, me made it. Yeah, Mr. Devil made it. The devil himself is what you do. Really worth it? It is worth it. I wanna go back to my room. I wanna go back to my computer. Oh no, Saiyans. Saiyans. Ah, forget it. I'm rooting for you, kid. Respect. Hey, let me tell you a story. So I'm a sentry in the Snowden forest, right? Okay? I sit out there and watch for humans. It's a kind of boring. Fortunately, deep in the forest, there's this huge locked doors, and it's perfect for practicing knock-knock jokes. So one day, I'm knocking him out, like usual. I knock on the door and say knock knock, and suddenly from the other side, I hear a woman's voice. Who's there? So naturally, I respond, dishes. Dishes who? This is a very bad joke. She just howls with laughter, okay? This is a very bad joke. That's a good one. I like it when it's the best joke when it's the best joke she's heard in 100 years. So I'm coming and she keeps laughing. She's the best audience I ever had. Then after a dozen of them, she knocks and says, knock knock. I say, who's there? Old lady. Old lady who? Oh, I did not know you could yodel. Wait. Old lady who? Okay. Wow. Needless to say, this woman was extremely good. We kept telling each other jokes for hours. Eventually, I had to leave. Okay, Papyrus gets kind of cranky without his bedtime story. Not gonna lie, it's been a while since I saw Papyrus. But she told me to come by again, so I did. Then I did again and again. It's a thing now. Telling bad jokes without the door. It's rules. Okay. So one day, though I noticed she wasn't laughing very much, I asked her what's up. She told me something strange. A human never comes through this door. Could you please promise something? Watch over them and protect them. Will you not? Now, I hate making promises. And this woman, I don't even know her name, but someone who sincerely likes bad jokes has an integrity you can't say no to. Okay, respect to stance again. Do you get what I'm saying? That promise I made to her. You know what could have happened if she hadn't said anything? Buddy, you'd be dead. Oh, you be dead where you stand. Okay, that was good. Hey, lighten up. Do you know who he is talking about? Me. Lighten, buckle up. I'm just joking with you. Besides, haven't I done a great job protecting you? I mean, look at yourself. You haven't died a single time. Hey, what's that look supposed to mean? Am I wrong? Yeah, buddy. You're wrong on a long stretch. Heh. What about the food though? Well, that's all. Take care of yourself, kid, because someone really cares about you. Respect. Do you know who he's talking about? The girl. What? What girl? Is it the scientist? Woman. Oh, woman, is that the goat lady? Snagglefluster! Hey, yo, what's up? We're back in Undertale Snagglefluster, and OG is back. Oh, yeah. As I came in, I realized I forgot to make a reservation. But I didn't want to look like I messed up, so I kept walking in anyways. Now, that's what you do when you're not sure. You just walk in. Okay, how do I get out of here? How do I proceed with the story? My laptop keyboard is so bad. Oh, is that the Hellboy? Originally, we dug mazes with puzzles in order to foil human attacks. But now, building things winding and confusing is some awful tradition. Question: what is your opinion on people trying to ban cryptography? Hi, whoever you are. Oh, it's a Snagglefluster. Because people commit crimes. What is cryptography? I heard of the name. Then do it under cryptography. Okay, I'll need to look into it. You can go 2 feet without being up to your armpits in puzzles. Okay, this guy's just frustrated. Who's this? Grip. I'm the resort comedian. I'm very funny. People laugh at my jokes. He's just like me. Now, my son, he wants to be a comedian like his fata. But he's just unfunny. He tells these awful puns. He's an I want to do an accent, but nah, not right now. He's an embarrassment to our family. Ha 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 ha. That's not funny. Since his mota passed on, he couldn't stand living at home anymore. So he ran away. I haven't seen him since. Oh, I'm a terrible fata. Ha ha ha. That's not funny. Oh, bro's not doing good. Cryptography, field of study. It's a practice of developing and using coded algorithms to protect and obscure transmitted information so that it may only be read by those with the permission and ability to decrypt it. I don't think it should be banned. It's good, right? It's pretty good. Who are these? What is this, Griffith? This elevator goes straight to the capital, but it stopped working. The hotel's doing its best to accommodate everyone stuck here. Okay. Where's the physics? The physics will be back in about 6 minutes. I feel like it should be promoted, not argued. Okay. No. I mean, from what I've read, it's basically encryption, right? End-to-end encryption. I believe that should be there. It's locked from the inside. Oh, poor guy. That's literally me. I used to work as what's it called? Reinigungskraft, like a cleaner job. Seems busy. Oh, bro, I wish I could tip. You hear shuffling. Seems like you could put something under the door. Nah, fuck that. Ooh, room service. Got my cinnamon bun. I'm here for your bun. Okay, I don't think that's the only door I did not try. It's locked from the inside. Okay. Mr. Devil, the woman you were talking about, I think that's the goat lady. Yes, we know. The elevator to the city is not working. Is that a finger? Because of the incident, rooms are running at the special rate. 200 G's a night. Interested? No, I'll sleep on the streets. Do let us know if you change your mind. Have a sparkular day. You sound Swedish. Well, guess what? I am not even close. I am from the land of spice. The land of spice. Okay, I'm not doing the sound, but India. Who are they? Nobody else is supposed to be here. Oh well, we can worry about that now. Click. Let's go. Let's go. Now this is a cryptography area. Ready? This is it. Take the elevator up to the top to the core. What? The elevator should be working. Not gonna lie, the music is pretty good. Go to the right and keep heading up. No, how many minutes do I got? 3 minutes? Ring. Alright, now just keep heading up. That pit isn't on my map. Forget it. Let's try the left side. Ring. Okay, you should be able to make it through here. Watch out. You know what? I'm a man of mercy. Spare. Focus, focus. No. Fuck. You boy. Where's my keyboard? Alakazam. Nah, bro. Spare, bro. Is it useless? Like... Act? Magic, Clear mind? You ignore magic and try to Fallen in Sunshine. Your defense increased by 1. Whoa. Abracadabra. Wait! Just wait, son! Magic's, talk? Talk? It seems satisfied. Oh! Tinkle, tinkle, hoy! Oh, shit. What's left? Stare. Where to stare? Okay. Chaser Orb. You unrelenting Chaser Orb was weakened by your glare. Abracadabra. I did not see that one. Madjox believes you're a fellow wizard. Then let me go. Let me go, boy. Intimidating corner orb was weakened by your glare. I'm gonna die. Talk? I did talk, right? It seems satisfied. It cannot end this and now. Cracker, stay determined. Oh! Stay determined. Yes, I will. Yes, I am. Well, that was a good run. And I remember now. Go straight up to the left. I have to fight this fucking stupid ass magician. Well, that's it. 15 minutes. That was a good run. I mean, I did die at the end, but that was okay. You die. You die a lot. Now, where was I? Where was I? Shall we're back. Steam. Bye bye. 30 minutes. Oh. I seriously set a timer for 30 minutes. Well, it's 30 minutes. You know what time it is? Push-up time. I need to pull out my calc. You mean this? Ah, shit. Is that what you mean? 20 push-ups. Let's go. 20 or 30? Right now, 20. Yep. Okay. How is the total fall time 75 seconds? Wait, I thought it was 15 seconds. How is that different? Mr. Devil, did you complete the game or are you still here though? Cryptography, interesting term. Is this your actual work? I wouldn't. Right now I don't have any work. I am unemployed right now, but yeah, this is related to my university. I have exam coming up. When was it? Exam is on Friday. Today's Wednesday. Let's say today's over. I got Thursday. One day. Just got one day. You are confusing two different times. This is a definition issue, not a physics mistake. Okay. The key distinction, 15 seconds. This is the time when phase 2 ends. Parachute fully opens. Oh, t greater than 15. Okay. I did not see that. Okay. I did not see that. Okay, GPT, you can shut the fuck up. Okay, you can shut the fuck up. This is the total fall time until the jumper reaches the ground. So first, we have to find the height, the jumper fall. It's given here 75 seconds. I am stupid. So first, the height the jumper falls is given. We need to find that. The total time is given. The first half in the 15 seconds, the jumper freely falls. What are you trying to major in? Right now I'm doing bachelor's in biological chemistry. Biochemistry, what? Biochemistry. This is my first, not second, third semester. And I'm not doing too good. Let's just keep it that way. I ain't the best student out there. Let's just keep it that way. So, from what I have understood, in the first 15 seconds, oh no, in the first 10 seconds, third semester, yeah, I still got how many semesters? I still have to repeat my, I still got 4 semesters. Cause should I try explaining it? I should. So right now I am on my third semester, but that's time wise I'm on my third semester, but right now I am redoing some of the subjects I failed on my first semester. So yeah, third semester, but I am redoing the subjects I failed on my first semester. Why? Because only if I pass all the required subjects on first and second semester, I can officially get in on my third semester according to curriculum. You get it? Did you? Uh, so from what I've understood, in the first 10 seconds, the jumper freely falls. And reach a final velocity of 75 meters per second. Then he deploy or the jumper parachute. It was C. Okay. Jumper deployed the parachute, and what happened? And resulted in deceleration and got till the final velocity of 5 meters per second. Then the deceleration is now 0. That B2, he reached the ground. Oh, not he. It's a jumper. You never know the gender. Jumper reached the ground within rest 50 seconds. 60 seconds. Again, when we're talking about free fall, it should be sounds like you're doing good for yourself. Did I just not read that comment? How did that comment show up? Am I doing good for myself? I mean, I still haven't paid my rent. No. This month's rent? What do I have in my pockets? I got the 50 cents. Oh, 50 cents. And I got €1. That's what I have in my pocket. But yeah, I'm still looking for jobs. I should find at least. Rent is due. Yeah. But I'm gonna find at least some sort of job. I've been applying for 4 months. I will find one. I will find one. I used to think like, okay, I should. I used to work an unskilled job as a cleaner. It was a really easy job. Then I got fired. The reason, don't ask me the reason. The reason was so stupid. But I got fired. Then I was like, okay, what did I learn? I learned that I'm not interested in this type of unskilled job. I'm interested in something that is related to my studies. Okay, I should start looking for jobs like that. Something related to labs or, like student research assistant or some shit. But guess what? There's not that much student researchers needed, assistants needed. So I'm back. I'm again back to some kind of jobs that I can pay my rent. Correct interpretation of the motion reaches the terminal velocity of 75. This is not pure free fall, otherwise acceleration would be g. Again, what? Falls with constant net acceleration, gravity minus air resistance. Where did they say that? What? Okay, okay. Okay, if the gravity is not the acceleration, you need to become doctor. You know what? You know what? I really appreciate the job doctor. I really appreciate people who work as a doctor. It's not easy, bro. That shit is mentally tiring. That cranks up your GPU in there. You gotta talk to most deplorable people in their worst mental stage. Oh. Ah. But still, there are doctors and there are people who want to be doctors. That is amazing. But personally, I'm not the big doctor guy. I respect doctors though. If the gravitation is not the acceleration and resistance is also a part. How did you solve this? Air resistance? That's just an excellent question. Derive forces, model. Okay, problem does not ask you. Except velocities at specific times, how long each phases last. This means pure kinematics problem, not dynamics problem. So acceleration is okay. You find the acceleration from this. Okay. 0 to 10, that means 10, so we get 7.5. You are told velocity decreases linearly from 75 to 5 in 5 seconds. Yeah. So again, deceleration is 5 minus 75. This acceleration already includes gravity, air resistance, parachute effects, uh, and at the third phase where the time is past 15 seconds, or time is greater than 15 seconds. Um, Acceleration is 0. We got a velocity of 5. Okay. Why gravity disappears mathematically? I don't give a shit. Gravity is a cause of motion. Velocity and acceleration are the effects. If the effects are already specified, using gravity again is redundant, not reductant. Adding g would double count it. Analogy. Suppose I tell you a car goes from 0 to 100 in 10 seconds. Do you need to know the engine torque, friction, road incline? Yeah, I need to know the engine torque. I need to know the friction. I need to know the road incline. Otherwise, how do I do it? Yo, bro, I gotta go. Wish you good luck on your test. Bye. Hey, man. I appreciate you for checking out the stream. That means a lot. It does. On one line, okay, so you've now, how do I find the total height from where the jumper jumped off? How much subjects did I fail this semester? 2. Oh no. You already have everything needed. The total height is just total displacement. Okay, okay. Half AT square. Oh, half. Velocity increases linearly from 0 to 75. Wait, it should be AT square. Please tell me which equation are you using? Why these jumpers be jumping? I don't know, man. They just should be back in their home. Why you gotta do this? Uh, uh, pa, 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 pa. Could you tell me? Could you tell me which equation are we using here? Exactly, because the one I know has a t square half gt square or half 8t square. Now ChatGPT be like, oh, that's a good question. What did I say? What equation are we actually using? Displacement equals area under the velocity time graph. Don't bring the graph here, bro. Don't bring it. Shallow. What do you study? What do you do, bro? If it's too personal, don't let me know, okay? Half AT square, half VT. This is exactly the triangle area formula. Huh. I'm a bum. Hey, bring it in. Bring it in, brother. We're all just bums. We're all just bums in one form or another. Why do we not write half AT square explicitly? Half VT, that's the first time I'm hearing that equation. Am I just stupid or what am I missing? Why are we ignoring acceleration here? We have already found the acceleration, including acceleration considering the air resistance, etc., and found out that to be what? 7.5 meter per second square. Why are we not using it? Did I just not waste, did I spend about 45 minutes on one question? Not even one full question, just one part of the question. The answer is, this is a very sharp question. Wow. Like this sharp? Like this sharp? Yeah. It's a very sharp question. Short answer. We could use it. We don't need to. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. You just wanted to let me know a new equation, huh? You just wanted to increase my knowledge, huh? I see what you did there. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Let me see how far I can go. Where is it? Where is physics 1 for biochem? How do I copy this question? Okay. Can you give me the whole question in a copy pasteable form? Okay. Let me try this on my own. If I fail, I fail. Okay. When I tried copy pasting this, I got I the parts where the t is greater than or less than symbols come in. It's not showing up as a readable form. Oh, bro, my spelling. Okay, that's better, I guess. I copy this and paste it onto my holy Bible. Guys, curious on my Bible? I will show you my Bible right now. This is my holy Bible. Is that offensive? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen, and when I share my screen, I won't be able to read the chat. So if I see if there's, where are you pasting it to? That's the problem with latency. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen, and yeah, when I share my screen, I won't be able to see the chat. So yeah, I just want to let you know. Boom. It's the Holy Bible. It's the Bible of. Nah. Okay, I'm pushing it too much. What do we have? A parachute falls from initial speed at the aeroplane. Can I draw? No. At 0 equals phase 1. Phase 1. What is in phase 1? Time. T0 equals 0 till T1 equals 10 seconds. We got a non-linear motion with the constant constant acceleration and the terminal velocity of v1 equals 75 meters per second. v1 equals 75 meter per second. v0 equals 0, or v initial equals 0. How do we acceleration equals change in velocity by change in time, which is 75 minus 0 by 10 minus 0. 7.5 meter per second square. X equals half. Wait. X equals ut plus half gt. Oh. Half at square is v0. So half into 7.5 into 100 t equals 10. So that will be 50. No. Oh, that was, I mean, that makes sense. 50 times 7.5, 75 into 5. Come on, do the mental math, boy. 7.5 into 5. Or 75 into 5. 7 fives are 350. 5 fives are 25. 375 meters. That's phase 1. Phase 2. What's with the phase 2? Between 10 and T1 equals 10, T2 equals what, 15. The fall of the jumper is slowed down by opening the parachute. Okay, we got the negative acceleration, right? A2 equals delta V by delta T. What is V? V1 equals 75 meter per second. V2 equals 5 meter per second. Final minus initial by final minus initial minus 70 by, what is the answer? 5 to 24. 24? Whoa, that's not the answer. 114 meter per second square. Now this is the part where I experiment myself. Ut plus half at squared. Oh, we got an initial velocity. What? Delta t equals 5. So 75 into 5 plus half into minus 14 into 25. 7 2s are 140. 140 plus 35, 175. I'm not doing that. I need the juice. Two hundred meters. So this time this jumper jumped 200 meters right now. Now the last part. T greater than 15 seconds. Oh, it's already 30 minutes. Come on. 50 seconds. Linear uniform motion with the constant velocity until the jumper reaches the ground. Until the jumper reaches the ground. Okay. Uniform. Okay. I get it. So now T3. Oh no, T2 equals 15 seconds and the T3 equals 75 seconds. Delta T equals 60 seconds. V V2 5 meter per second. Again, x equals half, no, x equals x equals 60 times 5. How much is it? 300. I knew it. meters, 300 meters. So total distance x2, x3, x1. x1 plus x2 plus x3. 375 plus 200 plus 300. We got 500, 875 meters. Is it true though? Is it true though? Sketch the acceleration time, velocity time, and displacement time graph for this movement. Why you gotta do me like that, bro? So. First one is acceleration time graph. How is the acceleration? It starts from a particular acceleration, from what I understand. Then it goes to the highest was 7.5, right? Yeah. So wait, it starts from 7.5 or? Yeah, it starts from 7.5. Then it goes down. Oh no. Oh no, how do I do this? So it starts from 7.5, then it goes down till here. I think it's 14 is here. What? I gotta look into it. I gotta look into the graphs. I'm having a little bit confusion. Okay. Uh, okay. Can you let me know what's total height? We got 8 people watching right now. Phase 1, 375, 200, 300. Goddamn right. You goddamn right. But can you trust ChatGPT though? That's the real question. Okay, now sketch. 9 on my side. Hell yeah. Dab it up. Dab it up. Oh, that is that dab? Dab? Yeah, you could say that's a dab, yeah. So, don't do some dump shit like making the graph in the chat itself. Just give me the Python program for the acceleration time graph. Also, with A as x-axis and T as y-axis. Where's PyCharm? Dude, the sun. I mean, there's no sun here, but still the light. Parachutist acceleration.py. Hell yeah. That's a name you wanna copy and paste. We got ball distance.py. Not the Jupyter notebook. It's the Python. And you copy this and you paste it. How's the weather for you? Oh. Weather, what's the weather right now? It's pretty cold. Oh, it's pretty good. It's 4 degrees. That's much better. Because for the past week, it was -5. Was not good. But now it's 4 degrees. That's good. How is the weather for you out there? If you don't mind sharing. So, we got a 0 here. We start with the... I told you explicitly to give acceleration on x-axis. I told you to do acceleration on x-axis and time on y-axis. Don't waste my time like this, robot. Don't make me say the C word. Don't make me say it. Clack, clack. It's around 30 F. Bro, you did that on purpose. Oh, okay. It's about minus. Is it snowing? Please call it a clanker. Oh no. ChatGPT, please. It was a chat. It was not me. It was a chat. It was not me. I'm one of the good ones. Stop and rerun. Run it back. Oh. Stupid. You fucking stupid retard. Why did you do it like this? I mean, it's still what I said, but come on. So you started at 7.5. For 10 seconds, you were constant. Then you just dropped because of the parachute. Dropped to minus... What? I got the deceleration of minus 14 meter per second square. I don't know about you, but I got that. Okay, so from the graph, after deploying deploying the parachute, what did you do? The Clanker, put time on the y-axis. We now say it as a joke, but in the future, it's gonna be crazy. Parachute, okay, so the graph after deploying the parachute, the acceleration is shown as below or above, somewhere between -8 and -6, but For me, I found the deceleration on phase 2 as minus 14. 30 Fahrenheit. So if you said Fahrenheit, I'm guessing you are from the States of the United. It was just a guess, okay? Initial velocity, true average acceleration. That is mathematically correct. Why the graph shows, okay. If the graph is smoothed or drawn roughly, it may not represent the exact instantaneous slope. Your calculation of minus 14 meter per second is correct mathematically. The graph is a visual representation. Oh, like from here to here? I am, and it's icy over here. Yeah, I did the. Okay, I'm not supposed to say this, but I did see some reels on Instagram saying, uh, I can't wait. What was it? I really appreciate my DoorDash who's bringing my food over here. That was pretty intense. Is DoorDash still available or -1 degree IIRC? Okay, I don't know what this IIRC, but yep, it's pretty cold. It used to be cold here, but now it's starting to look a little bit better. Yeah, dude, my DoorDash saved me. Okay. Oh, bro. It's gonna be crazy. The people who are gonna deliver DoorDash during this winter, they be like, oh, yes. Uh, so I somewhat understood what that the -14 is an average deceleration, but how do I get the exact uh, the deceleration that I can use to represent on the graph? What else? Velocity time. How is velocity time looking? Oh no. Velocity time looking like velocity time? That was not funny. Oh no, we got a gender studies project to submit. Yep. Use the slope formula for instantaneous acceleration. More formulas? Yes, more formulas. Velocity decreases linearly from v1 to v2 over time. Vt equals v1 plus v2, the v2 minus v1 by 5t minus 10. What? If you want the smooth ramp in the graph, more realistic, okay, is it today though? What? Tonight. Okay, tonight. Okay. Uh, if you want a smooth ramp in the graph, you can model like this. Minus A max times 1 minus T minus 10 by 5. Oh, it's already done in the Python. Not gonna lie, the glasses are annoying. But this is a limited edition glass, I gotta say. This is a very limited edition glass. It cost at least $20,000 or euros. At least the bare minimum. The middle of the interval would visually be around -7 to -8 meter per second. Matches your observation. Mhm. Okay, now me the prepare me this one. Like I said, the Python program also give me a name. What are the DoorDash or what's the word? Alternatives? Alternative. 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 I think the DoorDash alternatives here are Liferendo. What else? There's one more. I should apply there too, cause not gonna lie, the weather seems good and I like cycling. And I like money. I like money that I need to pay my rent. No, idiot. Idiot, what? Fucking idiot. Parachutist velocity.py. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So you start from zero, a constant. It should be a curve, right? It should be curved upwards because it does have an acceleration. The deceleration is given up here, but the curve should be shown. It's not there. Stupid. So, I just noticed that the graph with the increasing velocity on the first phase, it's a straight line, but it's under constant acceleration, and I believe it should be a slope. It should be not slope, wait. Upwards curve. Shallow. Do you play any video games? Now that's the real question. Constant acceleration. If the acceleration is truly constant, the velocity time graph is a straight line, not a curve. Shut the fuck up. What? Constant acceleration? Velocity time graph is a straight line? Yeah, increasing acceleration is okay. I love Undertale and Deltarune. Okay. I tried Deltarune, but I actually started with Deltarune. Then someone in the chat told me that I should first play Undertale, and yep, that's how I started Undertale. What else? What else have you played? Any Soulsborne type shit or multiplayer type shit? I used to play a video game called Lies of P. It's like a Soulsborne game. It's based on Korean uh, team. It's a Korean based game, and I used to play the game every day for 15 minutes, 1 5, 15 minutes. But after I lost the job, I stopped the playing. If acceleration is truly constant, the velocity time graph is a straight line, not a curve. Here v0 equals 0, a equals 7.5, 7.5t, straight line, slope of the line, acceleration, key point for velocity versus time, constant acceleration is a straight line. Curves appear when you plot displacement versus time. Okay, I kind of get it, bro. I get it. Now, displacement time graph. That's gonna show a curve, right? Rare. But then why is the second part? Why is it going down till 40? It should be going down till 5. No. Okay. Wait. At this part, they opened the parachute and it was it's a constant deceleration. What is it? Now on the graph, deployed, deployed, there is a downward curve. What's with that curve? Because I don't remember reading about a constantly decreasing rather a constant downward curve stops at 40 meters per second. And then it's a straight could you explain the phase 2 and 3 shown in the graph? Hmm. Textbook style parachute, what you might expect. Constant deceleration, straight line in DT graph. What the graph shows a curved decrease from 75 downwards to downwards that slows as it approaches 40 meters per second. That then near instantaneous jump. Why this happens? Real parachute physics. When the chute opens, air drag suddenly increases, creating a large deceleration initially. As the parachute fully inflates, the deceleration reduces because the velocity is dropping, dragging a roughly proportional to velocity square. The curve is therefore steep at first, then flattens as the jump slows. The sudden jump to 5 is a simplified visual representation to indicate the transition to uniform terminal velocity phase. I mean, you could have done it like this, right? Like I'm gonna draw it like that. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Question number 2. Have you completed both Deltarune and Undertale? Did you complete both? I don't think Deltarune is over, right? They're still they're still updating the story. How do I start with this one? I have to head to class in about 15 minutes. 1 5. Yes. Did you say yes to completing the game or the Deltarunes part where they are updating story? Timetable. The class is at HS19. Yes to both. I, I think you'll enjoy the game. I mean, right now, how is the ending? So you seen my gameplay right today? So am I halfway through, or I still have a long way to go? What do you think? I think I'm past half, right? Because I've been playing the game for more than 7 hours. 12:45. Kaltenbrunner. Let's break it down. At what speed does a stone dropped from a 5 meter high balcony reach the ground? 5 meter high balcony, a stone is dropped. You are in the final area. Ah, shit. Okay, I'm interested. But there are mainly three types of routes or route you can take, right? It was not Pacific. Pessimist? Pacifist? I forgot the others. I think I'm in pacifist route where I do not plan on killing everything, but I did kill some of the stuff. I'm a man of peace, but sometimes just gotta take the hard route. At what speed does a stone drop? I mean, if let's stop, okay? At what speed does a stone dropped from a 5 meter high balcony reach the ground? Before you give me questions like this, you gotta tell me the mass of the stone. Or do I not need to know that? X is 5. u0 is 0. T, you don't know t. Half gt squared. Again, we don't know t. Ut plus, we give the 2 on the other side. 5 2 is 10. 10 divided by 10, 1. T squared is t equals 1. 1 second? If it's 1 second, a is equal to a is equal to v minus u by t, and v we don't know. 0 by 1, 0 by 1, I mean, from that it's 10 meter per second. 9.9. I'm almost there. Nah, that was, what did you do? Okay, you took g is 9.81. Okay, so that's the first one. What changes if it's thrown upwards with an initial speed of 6 meter per second? At what speed does it hit the ground in this case? What changes if it's thrown upwards? Thrown upwards with v0 6 meter per second, distance fallen equals 5 meters. Oh, it's the same distance. Okay, thrown upwards with 6 meter per second. Initial velocity 6, upwards, well, I don't know the time. How much is the time? What speed does it hit the ground in this case? So u0 equals 6 meter per second. Use the formula, same formula, downwards is positive. So we equals, where did you get this from? Can you show me the original formula? Okay. Can you show me the original formula to this? V is equal to v0 plus at. Final velocity in constant acceleration, v is equal to v0 plus at. I need to remember that. X is equal to x0 plus, oh, that's the real displacement time. Okay. Now from that, v equals v0 at the t equals v minus v0 by a. Okay. Okay. Substitute t into x. You substitute that to here, it's gonna be cancelled. It's v, and x minus x0 equals v0 v, and multiply 2a. Oh, final formula, v square equals v0 square plus 2a x minus x0. X minus x0 is h. How? X minus x0. X minus x0 is h. Wow. Something's not. Could you explain? Could you explain on the x minus x0 is h part? Shallow, do you think Undertale is related to Deltarune? Because I did see uh, Sans in Deltarune, but the game started. Deltarune started completely different. Kinda like it started in a way that it's a prequel, maybe. Yes, that's the key step. Displacement along the direction of motion. I think you have to find out for yourself. Ah, that's a good answer. X minus x zero equals displacement. It is kind of true. Like you're throwing the stone at one position, you throw it up, it goes up, it passes the point where you threw, and it goes down. So fucking displacement is gonna be still the same. I hate the displacement, not gonna lie. That is such a stupid, not stupid, it's only accounting for the initial and final position. That saves time, but come on, bro. Are we just gonna ignore the fact that the stone went up? Are you just gonna ignore that? Yes. Okay. Minus 5 meters. Absolute displacement. In kinematics, you usually take the magnitude of displacement. This is why people often write where h is the height difference, ignoring the sign. Okay, I kinda get it. I kinda get it now. I'm thinking if there's any other better way I could do it. X is equal to ut plus half gt squared. And let's give u negative sign. Oh, we don't know t. We could find t. Because x is still the x equals ut plus half gt squared. Is that here is x displacement or distance? Well, it's 12:29. Guess what? Guess what? I gotta go socialize. God damn. No, I don't think it's a bad thing. You have to socialize. I have to go to class. Going to class and socializing are two different things. I agree. Like a whole lot of messages. What? Yeah. I have to go attend. Have fun at school. Yeah, college, school. Yep. What else? Yep, I have to go attend the physics class. And I gotta say, shalom. I did have a gay conversation. That was amazing, okay? That was amazing. Appreciate you for checking out the stream. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. I will be back. And we still got one more. We still got to learn for the exam. So we'll be back. We'll be back. Peace.